Welcome to Life Affairs, and today we are looking at garments that women should wear to keep their husband's attention. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Life Affairs and turn on the notification bell to be notified on every single upload. On today's video, I'll show you garments to feed your husband's eyes. Women tend to get comfortable and let go of themselves after a few years in marriage or after childbirth, and this isn't cool. As a woman, you really need to work on yourself so that you look good and stay attractive to your husband. Give your husband the pleasure of returning home to that beautiful lady he married. And if you fail to do so, you are likely to lose your husband to the arms of another woman who knows how to take very good care of her body. There are things women must look into and not neglect: how they look, their manner of approach, and what they wear whenever they are with their husband. Today's focus is on the necessary item you need to wear in order to win and keep your husband's heart, soul, and body. It is no news that men are visual beings. They get attracted, captivated, and aroused by what they see. Men like good things, and good view is part of it. But not all men are ready to tell their wives to dress in an attractive way. Trust me when I say they always love it when their women dressed in a nice garment. Check out these necessary items you need to wear always in order to win your husband and make him love you more. Yoga pants, bodycon dress, push-up bra, nightgown, lace pieces, shorts. These listed garments are very important, and any woman who doesn't have any should at least get one, irrespective of whether you have given birth or you've been married for ages. It is not an excuse for you to look unkempt and unattractive to your husband. Don't chase your husband outside with your I don't care and nonchalant attitude. Work on yourself, work on your body, and look new for your husband every day. Take a shower before you go to bed each day. Put on your night garment and wear a nice perfume to smell nice. I promise your husband will always want to have you. The way you dress and carry yourself will also influence your husband to come home early to you. Please note that some of the garments listed are for your husband's eyes only, as such should be worn at home for his pleasure, attraction, and attention alone. Of course, except it says otherwise. Do you agree with my thoughts or have other opinions on garments women should wear to keep their husband's attention? Let me know in the comment section. And if this video has added any value to you, please give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe if you are yet to do so. Turn on the notification bell button to be notified on every single upload. And watch our other videos. Enjoy.